Okay, so I'm going to make a quick video on how to replace a screen on a laptop. This is an Asus model notebook PC, model number F510U, and I bought the screen to replace from laptopscreen.com. So anytime you're replacing the screen of a laptop, you have probably some screws on the bezel here that are covered by some kind of cosmetic tape. So I already removed the tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and get this bezel off. The rest of it usually comes off just by peeling the top bezel. Sometimes it needs to come off from the bottom where the screws were. And just pop it out. There's this other little cosmetic piece here that you have to pull it out from. Okay. And here's the laptop screen, and we have 4 screws that hold it in place. And that one just fell down in an area that I can't get at. There we go. So just in the 4 corners. The laptop screen will just flip down, and there's this small connector here, just a single connector. You lift the little tape that's holding it in place, and gently pull it back. That's the broken laptop screen. I'm going to put this aside while I unpack the new laptop screen. It came packaged in a nice sturdy cardboard box. I'll go ahead and open this up. And so far I'm liking the speed of the shipment and the way it's packed. Laptopscreen.com did a great job so far. Look at this bubble wrap and a nice package. Here's the new screen. Looks identical to the old one. And it's got a protective cover on it too, that when all is said and done, once we prove it works, you could pull that off. It'll be nice and shiny. Bring this back over here. Go ahead and slide the connection in. Gently. not the easiest thing to do when you're dealing with tiny components. I believe I got it in. I'll put the tape back down. Get this screwed back into place. Very tiny screws. Okay, so we are pretty well fastened up. We could go ahead and try and turn it on. I see life. Look at that. So I did not take the battery out of this one because it was pretty sealed up from underneath. Trying to get that bottom cover off to see if I could disconnect the battery. I don't think it's necessary in all cases, but if you can access the battery easily, it'd be worth removing the battery and unplugging the computer. So there it is. Screen replacement. Probably saved quite a bit of money.